Hi, this is the WIKO U Pulse, and I'll show you how to enable or disable this slide option on this device. So first, we should hold for a while the empty space with our finger, then tap to the settings and tap here to My Smart Left Page Swatcher to turn off this option. Now it's disabled, so let's go back. Let's slide and we could see that this option successfully turned off. To turn it on, by the same way, hold home screen with your finger, tap to the settings and tap to My Smart Left Page Swatcher. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.